Your stomach just growled, but you're not hungry. Here's why. Yep, that's the scientific name for stomach growls. Say it with me, bore rig me. When you eat, your gut moves food down smoothly, but when it's empty, those muscles still squeeze to clean the house. No food, no muffler, so you get a front row concert from your intestines. Pro tip, drink water to shut it up, or just blame it on your digestive DJ. Want more weird body facts? Drop a pizza in the comments. P.S. Yes, pizza makes it worse. You're welcome.